Okay, so now and then, bartenders around the world create something unique, which you may think it's not gonna work, or you think, oh my gosh, that's bizarre, or no, thank you. But then you try, and you're like, wow. And that's the case today. Yes, welcome back to the channel, my lovely friends. My name is Georgi, and you're watching Just Shake or Stir with a very bizarre cocktail, but very tasty. Yes, today we're gonna do a kind of a take on martini, which was created in 2012 for the world-class competition by the bar expert Jimmy Barrat. So Jimmy Barrat has been in the industry for a long time. It's been and it's still a wonderful bar expert, resident in Dubai. And this year he opened his own first bar called Ergo. So if you ever go to Dubai, make sure to check it out, okay? I'll leave a link in the description to the Instagram account so you can kind of find out what's going on behind the scene in Ergo. However, if you're ready, let's make this quite bizarre but fantastic cocktail called Tomatini. So before I go with the cocktail, just want to say a massive thanks to all 100+ subscribers for the past month. It's mean the world to me. Seriously, you are absolutely stars. So all your names, it's scrolling down. And I just want to say massive thank you. Thank you, welcome to the family. And if you're new to the channel, join the crew. Just hit the subscribe button, hit like if you like what you see, leave me a comment. But now, let's make the Tomatini. So what you're gonna need? You're gonna need a good vodka. Now in this case I'm gonna use Ketel One, but of course use the vodka which you like. However, make sure it's quality vodka. Also, you need a balsamic vinegar, but not any balsamic vinegar. You need white balsamic vinegar. So make sure you grab a quality white balsamic vinegar. Don't buy anything cheap because you're gonna be disappointed and you're gonna hate the cocktail forever. And that's not the point here. This cocktail, the ingredients which it's inside, require quality ingredients, okay? So don't buy cheap stuff, okay? Now, cherry tomatoes as well. You need a cherry tomatoes. Of course, you can find wonderful cherry tomatoes all over in any supermarket. You're gonna need a little bit of black pepper and a sugar syrup and a lemon juice. That's it. So let's start building. The cocktail is shaken. Now, I do find out the original recipe requires 1 cherry tomato, but I kind of make a few times and I came to the conclusion for me it's work with the 2 cherry tomatoes. So if you like more tomato in your tomatini, maybe use 3. It's up to you. Grab your cherry tomato and just slice in half, drop in the shaker, and I'm gonna do one more. There you go. We're done with it. Now get your muddler and just a gentle to release the juice of the tomato, okay? You don't need to go crazy on it. Tomatoes, it's soft, they will release juice, and don't forget, we're gonna shake anyway, so it will be absolutely fine. Okay. Next ingredient, we need a vodka. 60 ml, we're gonna do of Ketel One. The cocktail is based on vodka, that's the only spirit inside. Nice and easy, easy peasy. Right, 15 ml of your white vinegar. And then a 15 ml the freshly squeezed lemon juice. Finally, 10 ml of sugar syrup. If you find in some point when you make the cocktail that maybe it's a little bit too zesty from the lemon juice, you can easily increase the sugar syrup. But I'll suggest kind of stick to the ratio when the lemon juice it's more than the sugar syrup, because the white balsamic vinegar, if it's a vinegar, contain a little bit of sugar inside. And the final touch, it's a little pinch of black pepper, just a pinch, okay? Don't put too much, just a little bit. So you may think, thinking of this cocktail, it's kind of a, I think it's inspired by the Bloody Mary, but it's basically deconstructed. So you don't have the tomato juice, you don't have the Worcester sauce, you don't have the Tabasco. You have few in the ingredients. You have the wonderful pairing with tomato and vodka and lemon, which coming from the Bloody Mary. But it's kind of a deconstructed to a totally different experience. And honestly to say, it's absolutely wonderful. So all this in the shaker, fill it up with ice. You need to chill it really good because we're gonna serve in the frozen glass after. And give it a good shake for about 10 seconds, really good shake, so you can break this tomato even more, okay? Ooh, wonderful. It's absolutely beautiful. And all you need now, it's a frozen martini glass or a small Nick and Nora glass, but it needs to be frozen. I have my here, just next to me. I'm gonna put this away. And of course, we need double straining. You have the tomato inside, you have broken ice. You don't want this in the glass, you want nice, elegant cocktail. Let's serve. Yeah, the fine sieve, it's full with broken ice and a small tomato seeds. You don't want them. Definitely don't want them in your cocktail. Right, put this on the side. Now, it's entirely up to you. You can rim the glass with the black pepper. This is how is the original recipe. But if you don't like the heat of the black pepper and the spice, you can leave it as it is. I prefer without the rim because we already have a pinch of black pepper inside, which is more than enough in my opinion. Maybe if you want to impress people for a good garnish and a good visual, you can put it, but frankly, I don't think many people are gonna drink from the black pepper, but hey, who knows? You never know, you can be surprised. So, a cocktail pick, a bamboo or a metal, whatever you have home, and the garnish, it's a one lovely cherry tomato. Just put on the top, and there you have it. The Tomatini, a wonderful aperitivo cocktail, which sounds crazy, but it's absolutely delicious. So, cheers! Oh my gosh. This is just heaven. Straight away, the thinking of tomato is going out of the window. You have this lovely cherry tomato flavor, but it's not dominant. It's just there to balance the lemon and the vinegar, because the balsamic vinegar, the white balsamic vinegar with the tomato and the lemon is just insanely good. On the back end is coming a little bit of the black pepper, like kind of a hit, and of course you have the lovely kick from the vodka. Seriously, this is absolutely insanely good, to the point when I'm gonna make lots of them this year because I just love it. It's fantastic. So, Jimmy Barrat, thanks for this recipe, created 2012, still going strong. And I hope some of you is gonna try it. And if you do, make sure you tag me on Instagram. Make sure you probably tag Jimmy Barrat as well. Why not? Let's show the man that his tomatini still lives around and people love it. But for now, I'm gonna enjoy this little sip. And as always, I'll see you next week with another video. Until then, I love you and I leave you. Bye bye.